Do you have a bunch of dead material in your lawn? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use the SUNJOE Dethatcher to remove it. What's going on, people? Exactly 2 weeks ago I decided to kill off my absolutely gorgeous lawn in a desperate attempt to try to get the perfect lawn. The things that boredom and quarantine can do to a man. But seriously, all jokes aside, I've been waiting for this day for years, and God, I'm so excited that it's finally starting to happen. In between then and now, I applied a second round of glyphosate, so now that all the grass is dead, I'm ready to use the dethatcher to help bring up all the dead material. If you're knee deep in the lawn game, I'm sure you've seen a million bajillion videos on this SUNJOE Dethatcher, so I'll save you the juicy details. But just know that this thing is a workhorse, and God, I recommend it so much. So if you're interested, I'll throw a link in the description. I highly recommend you pick up one. I know that many people are torn between the SUNJOE and the Greenworks. I'm looking at you, lazy lawns. But I personally like the SUNJOE because not only does it include the dethatcher, it also comes with the Scarifier, which I'll be using both in this seeding project that I have. Right now the Scarifier is on it, but I'm going to swap that out for the dethatcher because I'm going to use the spring-loaded tines to remove the excess dead material that's left on my lawn. Yesterday I mowed this down to the lowest setting that my bagging mower would go because my goal is to remove as much dead material as possible, so when I lay down my seed I have the most seed to soil contact. So now that there's only a ½ inch of material left, I'm going to use my SUNJOE Dethatcher and I'm going to go at it once in each direction to try to pull up as much of the dead material as possible, and then I'm going to go over it with my bagging mower again to clean it all up.
Oh my God.
Your destination.
Oh my God. You have now reached your destination.
Pro tip, if you guys are working with one of these dethatchers, make sure that you work your way out from the electrical outlet, otherwise you'll be strangling with the cord the whole time, and trust me, that's no fun. I'm ashamed to admit I've done it way more than once. Next step, I'm going to use the bagging option on my Honda mower to bag all this stuff up. This is video 4 of my renovation series. If you're interested to see how I got here, go ahead and click this playlist right here. I appreciate you taking the time to stop by my channel today. If you haven't subscribed yet and you're curious to see how this lawn renovation goes, click that subscribe button. And with that, this is George from Princess Cuts.